When a young woman enters adolescence, her body is beginning to grow in precisely the ways that are frightening to her. 90% of the people with eating disorders are women, and they have sleep disturbances, very big mood fluctuations. They restrict relationships, they isolate, they begin to get much thinner than what's attractive.
Eating disorders are conditions that develop because people believe that their body image is not really what it should be. They think that they're fatter than they actually are. They think that they need to control what they take into their body so that they can be in control of everything that's happening, all the changes that are happening in their lives.
I guess when I was around 14, I started gaining weight because my hormones were changing, and I wasn't, a little kid anymore. And I was kind of unprepared for that. And also that plus starting to become aware of boys in a more real way. Like, it started to really matter what people thought of you.
A lot of girls end up having eating disorders when they become women, when they start developing breasts and the roundness, the normal roundness that occurs in puberty, and they think they're becoming fat, and they would like to stop this.
I did stop getting my period for over a year. I was pleased because it meant that I was really, thin enough to lose my period.
Women need a certain percentage of body fat in order to menstruate, and they need the estrogen. Their body needs to produce estrogen in order for their bones to remain strong and to store calcium, so that you can have a young woman, a teenager, who is well below body weight, 16 years old, and has the bone structure of a 75-year-old woman.
Having anything more than like a piece of toast or like clear soup or something made me so uncomfortable that I couldn't bear it.